everyone, welcome to our crochet. My name is Mary and I'm coming to you today with vlog number 28. Oop. That's the 8 I mean. Not that 8, that's a 9, that's an 8. Let's try it again. I could do this. 28. Gosh, what's with this 9? It won't go down. Let's try it again. 28. I'm going to do it another way, okay? 28. You just got the 3. Forgot to put the... No, I could do this. 28. Oh, that kind of went down. You know what I mean. It's 28. Welcome to the newbies who have just joined us here at Well Crochet over the past few weeks. Welcome, welcome, welcome. To my regulars, yes, I would like to say I'm very, very sorry for not uploading anything over the past couple of weeks. Things have not been good for us on the family front. We've had a member of our family unwell and, you know, they're still a little unwell, but we're kind of a little bit better. So I have time today. This is my only time today to do a vlog. I'm going to upload this vlog tonight. There's going to be no editing, so I do apologize in advance if I say and, if, and, buts, and okays, and sorries, and all those things. So I'm not editing anything from this vlog today, guys. You're going to hear all the mistakes, which is probably a little practice for me when I start going live in a couple of months. Oh, live. Oh. So guys, thank you so much for being patient with me. Now, as you know, a couple of weeks ago, we did our giveaway or our competition, whatever you want to call it. It kind of was a competition because you actually had to answer a question, but that's done and dusted and everybody's been posted except one. Because someone sent me their details and I don't know what I've done with them. And I don't know where they are, but I'm going to mention her name again. I've sent out first prize and second prize, and those items are on their way. They're in the middle of shipping, so they'll be there very soon, guys. The other one was third prize. It was Sandra Bendig. Now, Sandra, my apologies. I know you've contacted me. I'm really sure you have contacted me and you have sent me your information because I'm kind of remembering France for some reason. The first prize went to Scotland, I think, and second prize to America. Oh, it could have been vice versa. And the third prize is supposed to, I'm assuming it was France. I'm starting to get a picture of France, but yours truly has lost your address details. Unless you haven't given it to me in the first place. So much has happened these past couple of weeks that I'm all over the place. So firstly, I'd like to apologise for that. So Sandra, oh, that was a good catch. Sandra, I couldn't do that again if I tried. So Sandra Bendig, if you are available, please, please, please contact me either on Etsy, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to contact me. I'm on madeit.com.au as well. So contact me anywhere you like. Those links are in the description box down below. I will actually pop those links, the very first links you see. So there you go. And I do apologise in advance. I think you've given me the details, but I can't find them. So Sandra Bendig, get in contact with me so that I can post your gear out. By the way, you were third prize in case you've forgotten. I haven't, but I've forgotten your address. Hello. Oh no, there's no editing in this, guys, sorry. So you're going to cop all the weird stuff that I do in between the edits. And they're usually the things that I chop out because I think, that's a bit silly. But I'm going to leave everything in today, guys, because I don't have time to edit. Okay, first thing I want to talk to you about is, over the past few weeks, I haven't uploaded any tutorials. Might have been maybe a week and a half since I've uploaded anything. And so I would like to try and catch up to where we were before. Before we were going to do the honey cowl, if we remember correctly, and I'd done the first stitch and the second stitch, and all I had to do was upload the border stitch. And then we were going to do the honey cowl. So I have the border stitch all done. It's been sitting in my computer, but I haven't edited it because of my little family woes. So that will be the very first thing you see coming up after this vlog. You'll get the vlog, and then the day later you will get the honey cowl border. So yeah, everything's been done. It's just sitting on the computer waiting to be edited. But I just haven't had that time. And here's a little bit of trivia, thought you might like to know. 10 minutes of video, and this is no jokes, this is how bad I am in front of the camera. 10 minutes of video takes me almost an hour to edit, sometimes 40 minutes. So when I do a video of say an hour and a half and I want to cut it down to 50 minutes, that's 5 to 6, 10 hours, 3 days tops, on and off. Because yours truly cannot control her mouth. Call it motor mouth here in Australia. And so I tend to say and if, okay, all those sort of, you know, extra words you don't need when you're listening to someone talk. So you're going to hear them all in this vlog because I'm not cutting anything out. I am not editing anything. Okay, I think I said that before, didn't I? So because you've all been so patient, I've decided that I would like to introduce, see the ums? These ums all get cut out usually. So I've decided that I'm going to introduce this week the very start of our Christmas stuff. Yay! And you're wondering, what is it she's going to do first? Well, I'm going to do the Christmas table runner first. The reason is, it is a pattern that I've done in the past, kind of a similar pattern, but not in Christmas colours. And actually it was more of a square blanket pattern. But this time I'm doing it in the rectangle so that I can make it a gorgeous little table runner for your Christmas lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever it is you have during Christmas. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, vice versa, whatever order you like to put them in. Breathe, Mary. I'm rushing because I don't want to muck around with this. I just want to upload it directly after this. Now, they're gorgeous, gorgeous. I hope this is not blurring for you guys. How gorgeous is that piece? I know, right? Oh, that was the wrong way around. Oh, you can't tell the right to the wrong way with this particular pattern because it is crocheted one way, stopped. No, it's not. It's crocheted one way, going around, then turned back the other way. So you've got one row goes that way, the next row goes the other way. Well, vice versa, whatever you mean. You know what I mean. So that is what we are starting with. We will be doing either 5 or 6 of these squares. I can't remember the actual pattern. I remember the pattern. I can't remember the design of the table runner. But that will be in the first video. Okay, that first video is already done and it is even edited. So it's part 1 of our table runner. I believe we'll be having 3 parts. Part 1 is this color. Part 2 is, I think it's these 2 colors. Oh, I can't remember now. Either those or those. The border of the part, oh, I've just dropped everything. Sorry. The border will be the green Kris Kringle. Don't look now, but you probably can't see it anyway. Everything has just fallen off that table that I just put on there. I think 5 skeins of yarn has just fallen. A little sheet of paper, that was probably Sandra's address. No, it's not. So your Christmas, I get so sidetracked, don't I, guys? Your Christmas gear will be coming. That will be the second tutorial. First you'll get the vlog, and then you'll get the honey cowl border, and then you'll get this particular piece. Now this is a very short tutorial. It's not as long as my mini, which is great for you guys. Okay, so this is part 1. Part 2 will be the white and red, or the white and green. I think it's white and red. In fact, I'm sure it's white and red. And part 3 will be the green border that will go around our. This is going to be gorgeous. Trust me, guys. It's going to have like a 3D effect. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So there you go. That's that. So really, that's all I'm wanting to talk about today. There is 2 other things I want to talk about, and I'm not going to run off and do my fast forward thing, because I've misplaced something. I've done well. I've misplaced it. Oh, okay. We are not going to worry about it. We're going to talk about a beanie I'm actually making for a friend of mine. Her friend of hers has cancer. And she has asked me to create a beanie in cotton so that she can wear it on her head and it feel comfortable on her skin. So I started with it there. It's a Bendigo Woolen Mills colour. Oh, I can't remember the name of it now. Latte. Hello. Wake up, Mary. Knock, knock. So it's a latte. That's the start of the beanie. And it's going to be this particular beanie right here. Now, if you guys remember, I have actually done this beanie here on YouTube. If you wanted to make this beanie with a cotton, if you need something soft for your head, then you can create this beanie. The link to this beanie will be in the description box down below. And that beanie, it takes quite a while to make. It's a little bit longer to make than your average beanie. I think it's only because there's a whole lot of sewing up a little bit at the end, and there's trying to get that little bit in the middle. Anyway, go down, check out the beanie, check the link down below, check out the beanie and have some fun. I'm trying to find something, guys, so that you can have a look for something. Here it is, guys. I had to pause the video after all that, and I said I wouldn't edit, but I did just have to pause that video so that I can find something. Last week, probably about a week and a half ago, I got some happy mail. But because I haven't been on YouTube, I haven't had that opportunity to show you my happy mail. And I love, love, love my happy mail. My happy mail comes from the lovely Classy Kim. So, firstly, Classy Kim, look at the gorgeous, I'm not going to show you her address. I don't want to show you her address. I mean, there's my address, but that's post office box, so I don't mind. Look at the gorgeous paper it came in. I know, right? How gorgeous is that? So Classy Kim has sent something lovely to me, and I think this lovely thing she sends to some people, and it's kind of like a friendship thing that she sends around, and it's absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to read it to you. She says, by the way, there's a card. She says, "Hi Mary, thank you for all that you do in our crochet community." Sorry, it's my eye. I really need to get glasses. I've got to get these eyes checked. I really appreciate your tutorials with your fun. I don't know what she says there, but she says don't stop. Classy Kim. Now, she's lovely, Classy Kim. She's always, how can I explain it? She's always getting on the channel. She's going onto YouTube. She's going onto Facebook. She's going on all over the place and advertising for me and talking to me and, you know, Messenger and all sorts of nice things. And I really appreciate it, Classy Kim, or Kim, I should say. Now, her details are Kim's Crochet, and she's got some details there. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I'll pop her details in the description box down below so you haven't missed out even if you didn't get to see the card. But what she did send me, which is absolutely gorgeous, is a little pouch. And inside the pouch is this gorgeous little bracelet. Now, I actually have not, I think it goes right there. I'll have to take it undone to put it on because yours truly has, I'll call them crochet wrists, all right? I won't call them fat. They're not fat. They're crochet wrists, all right? So it comes undone like that. You pop it over your hand like so. Flick it, oh, if I can flick it on. Can you see what I'm doing? I hope you can see what I'm doing. I can't even see what I'm doing. It's like the blind leading the blind here. There we go. So there you go. There's her little charms. Now I'm going to wait, I have to take it undone to show you I don't even know why I put it on in the first place. Here we go, we're under control. Hello. Wake up, Mary. Okay, so what I wanted to do, I'll see if I can do this and get you a nice little close-up of the charms. Here we go. Look at that. So you've got, whatever that is, I can't read it from here. I sure need glasses, I tell you. Crochet Queen, oh, that's me for sure. Oh, look, there's a little M there for Mary, or mouth, one or the other. Sorry, Kim. I'm trying to make this sound funny. So there's an M, could be W upside down, but no, it's an M. And there's another M. And, oh, that looks like a little sheep. Oh, no. Kim, you've sent me oh, this is going to get me laughing, Kimmy. Oh, and look at that. These are so cute. Oh, I love the scissors. Little scissors are nice. Okay. Oh, she's got a sewing machine. For those of you who don't know, I used to sew before I crocheted. Yes, I did. And knit. Not as well as crochet, of course. But I did a lot of sewing. There's, oh, look, there's a ball of yarn. And this one is Eat, Sleep, Crochet. And to be honest with you, That is me right now. So thank you very much, Classy Kim, for sending this gorgeous bracelet. And I will wear it on my very next tutorial, which won't be the 2 you see this week because they've already been done. It'll probably be the red and white part 2 of the Christmas table runner. Okay, thank you so much, Classy Kim, for that. Thank you everyone for being so patient with me and waiting for me to upload something. This will definitely go up in about half an hour maybe, hour and a half, depending on how fast my internet is, which is not very fast these days. And that's that. Don't forget, Sandra, please call me. Oh no, don't call me, just don't call me. I won't answer the phone. I don't answer the phone. I never do. I'm not a phone person, guys. I never do. What I do is I receive text messages or messenger and I message that way. I just cannot be bothered doing, oh, I know, oh, yes, oh, it's not my thing. Okay, so get in touch with me any other way. I'm sorry, guys. Did I just get sidetracked? So get in touch with me, Sandra, so that I can send you out your 3rd prize. Don't forget, guys, if you want to try out this beanie, you can. The description to this beanie, the link to this beanie, hello, I'm not even cutting this out, by the way, will be in the description box down below. Normally I would cut it out. And that's that. So thank you so much for being patient with me, guys. The pillow is still coming too. For those of you who are my regulars, the pillow is still coming. I still haven't pulled the box down with all the pieces in where the pillow is, but that will be definitely coming probably next week, not this week. The next few weeks is going to be a lot slower than average. I'm very, very busy this time of the year, snowed under. As you can see, I do like to do a little bit of charity work. The lady doesn't know she's getting this for free. To me, I like to, when someone says something about cancer and it's an on the spur of your moment thing, I do like to give a gift away for free. If she asks me a second time, I'll charge it. But for the first time, I actually will give that away for free because I do charity work every year. And this year, I have to be honest with you, I haven't done much charity. In fact, I don't even think I have. What are we in? October. I've done no charity work. I've got to do some charity work. Okay, I'll get in touch with a local council. In the meantime, she's getting that beanie for free. Everybody else has to pay for it. Sorry, guys. There you go. That's that. The Christmas deck. Sandra, call me. Call me. Call me. Get in touch with me, Sandra. Really get in touch with me because I can't get in touch with you, sadly. That's that. That's all I want to talk about. I don't want to overdo it today, guys. Once again, thank you so much for your patience. Thank you, Classy Kim, for your little charm bracelet. It does mean a lot to me to get fan mail. It doesn't have to be charm bracelets, guys. You don't have to go out of your way like Classy Kim has. It can be just a lovely little letter. It can be a question. If you have a question and you do not want to write it on social media, which a lot of people don't, you can message me via Messenger or you can post some happy mail to me. My details will be in the description box down below. So that's all I want to say, guys. I'm very, very glad that I'm back. I'm back to stay. I have done a few tutorials in advance. So if by any chance something like this happens again, where I have to rush off to visit family who are unwell or rush off to a hospital or something like that, I will just pop tutorials up. You may not see a vlog for a couple of weeks, that's all. But you'll still get tutorials because I have many of them in front now. Now, wish I was more organised 2 weeks ago when things went wrong. But, you know, that's Murphy's Law, right? So thank you so much for watching. And guys, remember, if you want to receive further tutorials in your inbox, you must subscribe. Click the little bell button and click all so you can receive all the tutorials that are coming in the near future. It's a very good time of the year, guys. I get out lots of Christmas gear. I get out lots of fun items. And yours truly still hasn't revealed some exciting news. I've decided to hold off on that. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. And guess what, guys? I'm going to be real quick and say ciao for now.